What is up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today's episode, I'm going to address a common question. Is the ultra short throw a real TV replacement option? I'm gonna go over some of the pros and cons to viewing with the lights on versus the lights off and giving you a couple demos so that you can make your own educated buying decision. Today, I'm gonna be demoing the Epson LS800, which is a 4,000 lumen laser projector, one of the best sellers because it sits super close to the wall and has Epson's 3LCD technology and really produces a stunning picture. Don't just take my word for it, you gotta check this out. I'm gonna do a demo with the lights on and with the lights off, and you guys let me know what you think. Let's go. All right, guys, what do you think about that demo? Pretty impressive. This LS800 performs exceptionally well with all of the windows shut. I still have 12 can lights on right now, and they're about 20% output, and we have a gorgeous picture. But what does it look like with a real stress test? All the lights and windows on at 100%. I have some SI Screen Innovations nano roller shades here that black out most of the light in the space. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up 100% and give you a demo of the same scenes with the windows open. To give you a frame of reference, these windows are 12 feet high, and I also have windows flanking the back side of the room. Let's go ahead and open them up and play a demo. All right, so what do you guys think? Pretty impressive. The pros and cons to a TV. I mean, ambient light is definitely a problem, regardless of if you go TV or ultra short throw projection. In my own personal opinion, the ultra short throw projector is going to wash out a lot more than a TV, which is a huge downfall. You know, it is broadcasting a light onto a screen, and although this is an ambient light rejecting ALR screen and a ultra short throw lenticular screen specifically designed to receive all of the light that's firing up onto the screen and reject out the ambient light coming from above, it still can only do so much. This Screen Innovation screen is a lower gain screen, and it also helps that it has this thin bezel that kind of helps absorb the light coming off the projector. Now, on the other hand, whenever you look at a television, there's other big problems, and that comes down to glare. Glare can be even worse than a washed out image. It's hard to say if ultra short throw is better or a TV replacement dependent on the amount of light you have in the room. The big win for laser TV or ultra short throw projection is going to be the size that you can go with. I have a pretty small wall here, so this is only a 100-inch ultra short throw screen, but I have had on the same wall 120-inch, and it still looks stunning. If I had the wall space, you could go even bigger. This LS800 can do up to 150-inch screen. So whenever you look at the value that you're getting for the amount of money that you spend, ultra short throw is really hard to beat. Television is amazing, and if you can control the ambient light to where you're not getting that heavy glare, a television is gonna be better than a laser TV or a ultra short throw projector system. But the cost is gonna be astronomical. You're looking at 150 to 250,000 minimum to get a image that's 110 or 120 for a television, a direct view LED or micro LED television. Samsung did just come out with their 110-inch micro LED TV, which is unbelievable. And we do carry Samsung if you're interested in spending that type of money, but we're talking 150 grand retail. This LS800 is only $3,500, and then you can match it with whatever screen you'd like, but still, all in all, you're looking about 6-7 grand, depending on which screen you go with, maybe 8 grand all in all. You can even get the cabinet for another few $1,000s, and you have this entire huge media console, big screen experience at a fraction of the price compared to going with a television. So to answer the question, is a ultra short throw laser TV a real TV replacement? I think for the average person, the answer is yes. It gives you a super bright, vibrant image. It can perform pretty well, as you saw in the demo, in rooms that have significant ambient light. Keep in mind, a lot of you guys may have like windows off in the distance, not massive windows literally within 6 feet of the screen, towering over the television. So you may get a lot better results. I'm gonna be doing some home theater tours in the future, showing off some ultra short throw setups that we've done in customers' homes and giving you guys more real world situations. But as you could see, when I drop my Screen Innovation shades down, it's stunning. So if you're gonna be watching television at night or in a controlled space all day, it's an amazing TV replacement and an incredible value. That's what these ultra short throws are all about, is giving you a big picture for a great price point. If you're interested in purchasing anything home theater related, make sure to reach out for a free video consultation. My specialist can walk through your space in a video consultation and figure out exactly what products will maximize your budget as well as the space. Every single room is going to be a little bit different, and our recommendations are going to change dependent on your circumstances as well as the budget available. Dreamedia is nationwide, and we have preferred installers in over 28 different states who can help you get it put in. You can also now shop on our website at shopdreamedia.com. We have all the industry-leading manufacturers to choose from projectors to screens to speakers, cables, as well as acoustics. We have every little accessory that you need to bring your dream home theater to life. All right, guys, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.